Is he really cheating? Sometimes it makes you uncomfortable. Maybe he's cheating on me, or maybe it is just a misunderstanding. It makes you suspicious. You start checking on a lot of things. So, how do we ascertain that he's really cheating on you or not? There are numerous reasons as to why male cheat their partner. In my counseling practice, there are two main reasons which I feel I need to share with you. Before that, just spend 1 minute in understanding male psychology. जब भी आप गाड़ी चलाते हैं, whenever you drive a car, you want car to behave whatever you want the car to do. If you move a steering wheel to the right, you want the car to go to the right, and to the extent how much right, etc. अगर आप गियर चेंज करते हैं तो उसके हिसाब से आपको लगता है गाड़ी को स्पीड में या पावर में चेंजेस आने चाहिए. ये सारी चीजें जब नहीं आती हैं तो you become very uncomfortable about it. Now with this background, try and understand. In case your male partner is very excited about something and he comes home or he's talking to you, he's sharing something with you and he's very excited about it, and you do not reciprocate or resonate with his enthusiasm, and he feels very uncomfortable about it because the car is not moving as he wants. The car is not reciprocating. There can be a number of reasons as to why female partner is not reciprocating. There are two main reasons. One, she doesn't believe in the partner's capability, or she feels he keeps trying new things and he hardly sees success, or maybe she has to do a lot before this guy is successful. Second thing is very very important. अगर कोई फीमेल अपने मेल पार्टनर को बिल्कुल भी विनर की फीलिंग नहीं देती है, so the chances are there that male partner will go on for cheating. If a female does not reciprocate or gives him a feeling that you're a good husband, you're good in bed, or you're a great father, or you're a good worker, you're an expert, you're a fantastic male, etc., etc. You're a good husband. So if a male does not get this kind of a winner feeling from his female partner, the chances of this male bifurcating are very very high. So try and understand. It so happens that घर पे इस इंसान को बिल्कुल भी विनर की फीलिंग नहीं दी जाती है, और ऑफिस में जो लोग काम करती हैं फीमेल्स, वो उसको अप्रिशिएट करती हैं. आप बहुत अच्छे दिख रहे हो, आप बहुत अच्छा काम करते हो, एटसेट्रा. तो दिस गाय फील्स कि यार आई थिंक आई एम विद द रॉन्ग पार्टनर. ओवर ए पीरियड ऑफ टाइम अब डिपेंड करता है कि मेल पप्पू है, प्रेमी है या प्रोवाइडर है. मींस मेल में गट्स हैं टू मूव ऑन, और मेल विल कंटिन्यू just enjoying the appreciation from the office females and would stay with his wife. So try and understand. The first reason is, if you do not give your male partner a winner's feeling, the chances of his bifurcating are very much there. Now the second thing very important is, there are certain males वो burst chemicals पे काम करते हैं. Burst chemicals means I'm talking about dopamine, endorphin, cortisol, you should be aware of. Oxytocin, you should be aware of. So, for example, let's start with oxytocin, bonding chemical. So, whenever a guy gets married to a girl or is serious about a girl, so what happens is he starts releasing oxytocin, dopamine, and endorphins, and is very excited about the relationship, etc. As the time moves on, after some time, there is no release of dopamine or endorphins. He's just releasing oxytocin, which keeps him together with his partner or wife. Right? Now, before I start, I think I'll just give you a little bit about these chemicals. Oxytocin, bonding chemicals. Whenever a male female gets together, this bonding chemical, we call it love chemical, also gets released. Endorphin is when you exercise, go out of breath, or eat lots of chocolates, or eat lots of chilies, you release endorphins, pain hormones, happiness hormones, you can say. And third thing is dopamine. In a layman term, we can say that this is something when you take a challenge. When you take a challenge, you accomplish it, you release dopamine, you feel great about it. Or when you do online shopping. So जब तक Flipkart से Amazon से वो चीज़ डिलीवर नहीं हो जाती, you're releasing dopamine. When you order pizza, जब तक वो पिज़्ज़ा डिलीवर नहीं हो जाता, you keep releasing dopamine. So try and understand, when a male is relying upon the burst of chemicals. So he needs all three combinations to stay loyal to his partner. So what happens is, after some time, he's just releasing oxytocin with his main partner, but there is no release of dopamine, there is no challenge left, and there is no endorphin being released. So what he does is he changes the target. So let's say he is going in for another female. She may not be as good looking as you are. She may be awkward, uncomfortable, etc., etc. But he releases dopamine because he's taken that female as a challenge. So he releases dopamine, he releases endorphin because he's making efforts to get to her. So the release of burst chemicals, because he is onto some other female, keeps him going. That makes him a good manipulator. He can hide things, he can manipulate things. He won't let you know what exactly is happening, and he'll be good to you also. But after some time, again, the release of dopamine and endorphin from that second female will get dried up, so he'll move on to some other female. Now this is what I've seen tendency in some of the males, those who live on burst of chemicals. They will stay loyal to one main partner, but they'll keep shifting from A female to B female to C female. And if you catch them, they might modify their behavior for some duration, but to repair them or to really make serious changes, you need a psychologist to work on your relationship. So to summarize, yes, males do cheat. There are two main reasons I can say. One is, if a male doesn't get a winner's feeling from his partner, chances of his bifurcating. Second thing is, if he lives on burst of chemicals, so perforce to survive, he will be running after other female, right? I'll be talking to you about females also, as to why females cheat, in my next talk. Till then, stay close to my channel, Business of Life.